In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Truist Mobile branches and ATMs near you. Whether you're on the go or planning a trip and want to ensure you can promptly access a Truist ATM or branch, you'll find this guide incredibly helpful and easy to follow. To start your search, you'll want to head over to the Truist website. Simply type in the URL truist.com/digitalbanking and hit enter. You're now on the home page. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is look to the top right corner of the page. You should see a tab labeled Locations. Go ahead and click on that. Upon clicking the Locations tab, you're presented with a search bar. This is a powerful tool that lets you find Truist branches and ATMs by various parameters. You can search by city name, a zip code, or even a specific street address. This flexibility ensures that no matter where you are or how detailed your search needs to be, you have the options to get precisely what you're looking for. If you're not sure of specific details or you're just looking for the nearest option to your current location, there's a feature to help with that too. Look for the option that allows you to search for locations near you. With just a click, the website can use your current location to show you the closest branches or ATMs, saving you the hassle of entering more data. Now, let's talk about filters. Perhaps you have specific needs or preferences, such as requiring a drive-through ATM or a branch that's open on weekends. The search page allows you to filter results to match these requirements. By taking a moment to set these filters, you ensure that every result you see is tailored to your specific needs, enhancing the convenience and functionality of your search. Once you've entered your search criteria or selected the option to find locations near you, the results will appear on screen. Here, you'll see a list of branches and ATMs, complete with addresses and additional information such as operating hours and services available. Take your time to go through the list and choose the one that best suits your needs. With each option clearly mapped out, picking the right location couldn't be easier. And there you have it. Finding a Truist branch or ATM is straightforward and quick. Now you can always ensure that you're just a few clicks away from accessing the financial services you need, no matter where you are. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide beneficial on your next visit to a Truist location. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy banking!